How to watch movies on Discord mobile with friends. This tutorial shows you how to screen share a video directly through the Discord app on your Android device. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. After that, join a server and open a voice channel that you and your friends are both in. From there, tap on the Join Voice button to enter the voice channel. At this point, once you're inside the voice channel, you'll see a row of icons at the bottom of the screen. In the next step, tap on the screen share icon to start sharing your screen. Following this, a prompt will appear asking for permission to record your screen. Tap Start Now to allow it. Once done, minimize Discord and open YouTube or any other streaming platform where the movie or video you want to watch is available. From here, tap on the video you want to play and hit play to start it. At this stage, your friends in the voice channel will now be able to see your screen in real time as the video plays. After this, make sure your volume is turned up so your friends can hear the audio coming through the stream clearly. Finally, go back to Discord anytime to check the chat or talk to your friends while the movie's playing. Keep in mind that screen sharing quality may vary depending on your internet connection. A strong and stable Wi-Fi connection will give you and your friends the smoothest viewing experience. And that's it. If this Discord guide helped you watch movies with your friends, give it a like, subscribe for more Discord tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.